Good morning, everyone. Let me share my screen. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. So we'll start with the global news update for today. So the S&P 500 and Nasdaq closed at record highs after comments from Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell kept hopes that the Fed will cut interest rates soon. The CBOE Volatility Index, which is Chicago Board Option Exchange, VIX, often referred to as the Fear Index, is currently trading at unusually low levels for this time of year, especially for an election year. Fed met weak rules that could save biggest US banks billions. US Treasury Yellen stated that inflation will continue to ease over time. US bank profits face pressure from lower interest payments, higher credit losses. Chinese consumer inflation shrank in June as persistent concerns over China's economy kept spending largely limited, while producer inflation contracted for a 20th consecutive month, albeit at a slower pace. Oil prices edged higher in Asian trade on Wednesday as industry data showed a bigger than expected draw in US inventories. So this about the global market update. So let's look at the Indian market update. So all major indices closed positive yesterday's trading session. Nifty closed at 112.65 points, 0.46%, and it has again broken the all-time high and taking support at 24,400 level. So for today, we can expect the next level of resistance to be at 24,400 to 24,500 level. On the downside, we can expect a support at 24,350, followed by 24,200 or 24,000 level. So let's look at the option chain for current week expiry. So as far as option chain is concerned, 24,000 still remains to be a strong support. Currently trading at 24 to 450, and we can expect a 50 points negative opening. Maybe it may start open at around 24,400 and rally until 24,500 to get a rejection. Because the resistance is still at 24,500. So market is still range bound between 24,000 to 24,500 range. Looking at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty traded quite flat yesterday, though it closed at 143 points positive in yesterday's trading session. So for today, it can get resistance at 52,670 level, followed by 52,940. And on the downside, it can face a support at 52,200, followed by 51,978 level. Let's look at the option chain data for Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty at this point looks a little bit indecisive because we don't see any downside support right now. So on the upside, we are seeing a resistance at 53,000 level. So we can expect it to open at 52,500 and get and face a rejection at 52,600. If it sustains above this, we can expect it to touch 53,000 level soon. Otherwise, since there is no support here, we can also expect corrections from here, a little bit of corrections on the downside. Looking at mid-cap index, it rallied around 189 points in yesterday's trading session. So for now the resistance could be at 57,252 level, followed by 57,600. On the downside, we can expect it to take a support at 56,600 level, followed by 56,400. Small cap also rallied around 48 points. So it was kind of flat yesterday. So we are seeing some consolidation here. So we need to see whether it breaks upside or downside. So for today, we can expect a resistance at immediate resistance at 19,000 level, followed by 19,200 level. On the downside, we can expect a support at 18,800, followed by 18,680 or 600 level. So these are the details about the major indices in Indian market. Now let us look at the sectoral data. So shipbuilding and industrial gases and aviation continues to be the top sectors, the top performing sectors. But as far as opportunities are concerned, we are seeing opportunities at consumer durables, capital goods, construction material, abrasives, FMCG, plastic products, logistics, information technology, automobile ancillaries, paper, mining, retailing, infrastructure, agriculture, alcohol, healthcare, chemicals, electricals, media and entertainment, finance, power, textile. So pretty much a lot of sectors that currently is at consolidation level. So we can see a lot of opportunities around these sectors. Agriculture, fertilizer, and FMCG will be, and also defense probably. These are the few sectors are we need to watch out for. Looking at the deliveries, so we are seeing good positive deliveries in agriculture, provided that we have a good monsoon this year. So agriculture products will be a good opportunity for short-term trading. Then infrastructure, ratings, consumer durables, power, diamond and jewelry, and FMCG. So these are the few sectors are seeing good positive delivery. So if somebody wants to take a look at a short-term opportunities, can focus on these particular sectors. So looking at the basket recommendation for current week, so we continue to be tracking on best large cap stock basket, expected returns 10%, best auto stocks basket, expected return 10%, and best private bank stocks, expected returns 10%. So let's quickly review the performance of these baskets. So large cap is standing at 1.28% positive, auto is at 1.71% positive, and private bank is at 0.85% positive. So that's all about today's update. Any question? If none, then we can stop it here. Thank you. See you tomorrow.